welcome to my second video. If you haven't watched my first, my name is Jessica and I'm 17 years old and you should totally check it out. So today we are going to be talking about why beauty is an attitude. Beauty is not about how you look, it's about how you present yourself and how you feel. Beauty is a state of mind. If you look happy and are positive, you will look beautiful. A lot of people think beauty is complicated and look at it as fitting into a standard, but it's not about that. It's about who you are as a person. Chic Soaps and Cosmetics demonstrates that by having products that have personality instead of products that are bland, boring, and synthetic. There are products that are pieces of art and make you feel special about yourself and draw you in because of their attitude they display. Just like a person, you don't want to be bland or boring. You want to look at yourself as a piece of art. I believe the first step to being beautiful is smiling. A smile can go a long way, no matter what attitude you're trying to portray. If you want to create an everlasting smile, Chic Soaps is the way to go. They have products that have an attitude and make you feel beautiful. I highly recommend you guys go check them out. Located on Douglas Street, downtown Victoria, or check them out on their website or Facebook page at Chic Luxury Soaps and Cosmetics. Thanks for watching and keep on smiling!